Hello, my name is Min An, and I'm going to talk a little bit about skin rejuvenation using the Fraxel Restore laser system. My office is located in Westborough, Massachusetts, and we've been performing Fraxel Restore laser treatments for over 2 years now, having performed over 600 treatments during that time period. Fraxel Restore is FDA indicated for treating wrinkles around the eyes, acne and surgical scars, age spots and sunspots, and other skin disorders such as melasma. With Fraxel Restore, you typically need 3 to 5 separate treatments spaced about a month apart, and after each treatment there's typically what we call a weekend recovery, with no discomfort and a little bit of pinkness and puffiness for 2 days, followed by pretty discreet peeling for another 2 days. And here's some before and after pictures showing improvement in sun damage after a series of Fraxel Restore treatments. Here's a close-up from the 3/4 view. And here are mirrored images where you're actually seeing the right side of the patient's picture and seeing a nice improvement again after a series of Fraxel Restore treatments. Here's another set of pictures showing improvement in acne scarring after a series of Fraxel Restore. And here's a patient with nice improvement in her age spots after just 3 Fraxel Restore treatments. And here she is from the 3/4 view as well. Now we're going to show a video of an actual patient before, during, and after her 5th Fraxel Restore treatment. We're here right now with Liz. Liz is a primary care physician, and she's also a patient of ours who's had 4 Fraxel treatments so far, Fraxel Restore treatments of the face. And today she's going to undergo her 5th treatment. And Liz, how have you found your first 4 treatments to be in terms of affecting your skin?
I definitely have noticed a difference. I mean, I wear very little makeup to begin with, and I can even wear less now. My fine lines are smoother. My pigment difference, which was one of the main reasons I chose to do this in the first place, has improved. I'd say that summarizes kind of my...
So you would say that after your first 4 Fraxel treatments, your skin tone, your pigmentation, and the texture of your skin has improved. How has it been in terms of recovery after the treatments?
It's been pretty easy. I mean, I generally would have my treatments on a Wednesday, and Thursday my patients would maybe notice that my face was a little bit redder, like maybe I've been out in the sun, but almost nobody said much to me. And then by Monday, I was totally back to normal. Maybe the first 2, I might have had a little bit more drying skin as recovery went on, but otherwise, almost nothing.
Well, that sounds great. That's kind of typical of what we've found people to have in terms of their recovery after a Fraxel Restore treatment. A couple days of a little swelling and redness and then a little bit of peeling, but certainly something that you can manage as part of your day-to-day life. Well, I'm going to let Rebecca put some numbing cream on your face so we can start the session, and then we'll go from there. Rebecca, you look like you've done this hundreds of times. You're an expert at it.
Almost, probably close to 500.
Yeah, I believe you have.
Yeah.
I was looking at the numbers. It's about 500
500.
treatments. Yeah. Do you want to go ahead and lie back?
Sure.
Now Liz has been numbing for approximately 45 minutes just with some numbing cream and nothing else. You can see that she's holding a hose that emits very cool air onto the treatment surface. She's very comfortable and is able to have a normal conversation with Rebecca, who's performing the treatment. So we are here with Liz, who just completed her fifth Fraxel Restore treatment. Liz, how'd you do?
It was a little prickly at the top of the forehead. Otherwise, it was pretty nothing. It didn't really bother me at all.
On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst discomfort, how would you rate that?
Most of my face I would classify as a 3 or a 2.
Great.
Yeah.
And it looks like you're just a little bit red right now and a little bit swollen.
Yeah, a little bit red, a little bit swollen, pretty numb. It feels right now like I was out in the wind in the fall.
Okay.
And you come inside, that's how my face feels right now, that I may have a wind burn. But I know that in about 35 minutes, that feeling will go away.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think you did great, Liz.
Thanks.
And thanks for letting us talk about your experience.
No problem.
I invite you to visit us at our website, awcenter.com, where we have more information about both the Fraxel Restore and Fraxel Repair laser treatments that we offer. And that's a brief discussion and video of skin rejuvenation with the Fraxel Restore laser.